This is the lift at Wilkinson's in Hitchin. It's an old Foster and Cross. Capacity is 12 persons, 900 kilos. This lift is still original. I am sad to say that the lifts at Waitrose have now been replaced. Here we are, G. Go back up to 1. Still a nice old Foster and Cross lift. It's hydraulic. It's got 70s Dewhurst as well. Here are 1. Still got that chime. And there it goes. And that's it. Right, this is the new lift. This one's not working, and there's now just one lift here. This lift is messed up. This is the lifts at the Lairage multi-storey in Hitchin. These ones are working. It's the left one. I'm going to go up to 3.
Doors closing. Please mind the
Door
doors.
close button does work like that. These used to be Keighley's. They have now been replaced by Rubax. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos.
Car park level 3. Doors opening.
Go back down to 1 and we'll change.
Doors closing.
Yeah, unfortunately,
Going down.
the old Keighley's have now been replaced. This was replaced
Car
in
park level
2021.
1. Doors opening.
Take this one up. It's going to be the right lift. Go up to 3.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
In the other lift, the capacity is 13 persons,
Going up.
1,000 kilos. And they're all the same now, replaced in
Car park level
2021.
3. Doors opening.
Here are 3. And that's it.